Unit 7, we're doing 7.7, which is on future value annuities. And in 7.6, we did present value annuities. We spoke about what annuities meant, equal amounts at equal time periods. The future value is when I save for the future. In other words, I invest. Then it means I'm saving, I'm investing money, the same amount at regular intervals now, but I will only be getting the results, I'll only be getting the big amount of money in future. So you will also remember when we did depreciation, we said assets like cars and machinery, they all decrease in price, depreciate. So if you have a business and you have to buy expensive items like machinery or huge trucks, then it's usually a good idea to start saving for when you need a new one. Right, so we're going to say to replace expensive assets like the machinery, etc. That saving is, we call it, set up a sinking fund. Set up a sinking fund is that saving your money, sorry, it's a fund, not a find. Set up a sinking fund to start saving for when you need to replace these assets. So again, remember a sequence of equal payments at regular intervals. Let's look at the formula. It is similar to the present value formula, but obviously not the same. So don't get confused between the two. So again, F is the future value. It is what I'm hoping to end up with, what I'm saving up for. I, again, is my interest rate, where I've already recalculated it for the time periods. N is number of repayments. Right. Let's do an example. Let's say we're going to invest $590 per month. Every month we're putting another $590 in the bank. The bank quotes me an interest rate of 8.75% per annum, compounded monthly. So there's the word again, compounded. It's compound interest. And I'm going to continue this for 3 years. So my question now is, how much will I have at the end of the 3 years? Right, so you're just going to stick it into your formula, but using common sense. This is then 0.0875 over 12, because it's monthly, to the power of 12 times 3. I will be making 36 payments Remember your -1, remember all your brackets in position. And my I is all of this. It's not just the nominal rate. And seeing as this is all, there's no variables on the right hand side, you can put that in your calculator in one step. You will end up with this number, which you will round to 2 decimals, round correctly, and you will include your currency. Currency in the answer. Round to 2 decimal places correctly. So that is your future value, that is your sinking fund. So if you save that, then in 3 years you will have just over 24,000 in the bank. Please note that in finance we have to work very exactly. I just said now just over 24,000, but you would never just give the answer as 24,000. You must give the exact answer and round correctly.